Now I'm going to explain to you 3 ways to modify color. One by combining dye baths, one by making an iron solution, and another by making a vinegar solution. I'll take you through the steps. For combining colors, indigo is an especially good one to combine, but the others also work well together. I'm going to take the first dye extract, which in this case is the Brazil wood, and rinse it in water first. And then add it to the indigo. You first dye in one, rinse in water, and add to the other dye bath. I tend to start with a lighter color first before immersing in the darker color. And see it's changed to purple. To make the iron solution, iron tends to sadden or darken colors. You can create an iron liquor that you can use again and again. It can also be used to mordant the fabric before dyeing or shift the color after a dye bath. So I'm going to make an iron mordant, which usually darkens any of the colors. It's 2 parts vinegar to 1 part water, and you can use old rusty nails for this. I'm just going to pour the vinegar on the nails and then add some water. And you let it sit for about 2 weeks in a dark place. Make a trial first in a small jar. If you add directly to the dye bath, it can't go back to its original color. So after leaving it about 2-3 weeks in a dark place, it becomes like this. And you just need a tiny bit, which you add to a dye bath. And you always rinse the fibers after using it. I'm going to add some iron to the dye bath. And once you do this, the dye bath won't go back to the same color. So make sure that it's the color that you want. And you only need a little bit and it'll make the color a lot darker. So add little by little. And then add the fiber. And take it out relatively quickly because iron damages the fiber, so you don't want to leave it in too long. It's got a kind of purpley, like purple color. And make sure to always rinse it after using iron. To make a vinegar solution, I put water in a container. I add a little bit of vinegar. And then I add my skein and it changes color. This worked particularly well on Brazil wood. If you want to dye all the wool, you can also add the vinegar directly to the dye bath once you've made a small trial to test the color. So once you like the color, you take it out and you rinse it in water.